Assalamu alaikum dear students. यूनिट जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं दैट इज अल्कोहल्स, फिनॉल्स एंड ईथर्स। सब टॉपिक जो हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं इसमें दैट इज अल्कोहल्स। अल्कोहल्स की हमने पढ़ी है प्रिपरेशन, वी हैव द डेफिनेशन ऑफ अल्कोहल्स, क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ अल्कोहल्स, preparation of alcohols and the properties of alcohols. Properties of alcohols are divided into three categories. Number first, that's the reactions which involve the cleavage of the OH bond. Number second, the reactions which involve the cleavage of the C-O bond. Number third, which involve the whole alcohol molecule. अब whole alcohol molecule में हमने डिस्कस की that is dehydration. आज का टॉपिक जो है दैट इज रिगार्डिंग द केमिकल रिएक्शंस ऑफ अल्कोहल्स which involve the whole alcohol molecule. That is number their second category of the reactions. First one that is the dehydration. Second in this category is that is oxidation. So today we have the oxidation reactions of alcohols. Oxidation reactions of alcohols. Oxidation reactions of alcohols. We have the three types of alcohol. We know that we have the three types of alcohols. We have the primary alcohols, we have secondary alcohols, and we have the tertiary alcohols. Number first, अगर हम primary, they are oxidized. These alcohols they are oxidized with strong oxidizing agents like the KMNO4, K2CR2O7 or HNO3. These are strong oxidizing agents, and when we add these strong oxidizing agents to alcohols, aldehydes, ketones, and the carboxylic acids are formed. Number first we have the when the strong oxidizing agents like these KMNO4, K2CR2O7 or HNO3 is added to alcohols, they get oxidized and form the various types of the products. जहाँ ऑक्सीडेशन का ताल्लुक है कि अल्कोहल्स जो होते हैं, अल्कोहल्स में अल्कोहल्स की फार्मूला दैट्स आर सपोज CH2OH. यहाँ पर क्या होता है, क्लीवेज होता है बिटवीन द वी हैव R डैश C डैश H डैश H एंड C इट इज O it is H. यहाँ पर क्या होता है कि during oxidation reactions bond formation takes place between the carbon and oxygen, and bond cleavage takes place between the carbon and the hydrogen. So in the oxidation reactions we have the formation of the CO double bond and we have the breaking of the CH bond. So during these oxidation reactions, number first we have the oxidation of primary alcohol. When in general during oxidation reactions, first one is that is the general this is general thing regarding the oxidation reactions is that there is formation of C and O bond and breaking of C dash H bond. Cleavage of CH bond takes place whereas formation of the CO bond takes place. That means a double bond is formed between the carbon and oxygen, and the breaking of the CH bond takes place during oxidation reactions. So number one we have the oxidation of primary alcohols. अगर हम primary alcohols को ऐड करेंगे strong oxidizing agents such as we have the KMNO4 or K2CR2O7 or HNO3, it results the formation of the aldehydes, and which upon further oxidation results the formation of carboxylic acids having the same number of carbon atoms as that of the parent alcohol. So we have number first we have number one है इसमें when KMNO4 or K2CR2O7 or HNO3 is added to 1 degree alcohols. First, aldehydes are formed, which upon further oxidation results the formation of carboxylic acids, which upon which upon further oxidation yields carboxylic acids. So you have suppose our CH2OH, this is our primary alcohol, and if we are going to add KMnO4 to it, what is the function of KMnO4? It gives us nascent oxygen, it brings about the oxidation, and this H2 will come out with this oxygen as minus water, and we have RCHO. This is our aldehyde, and if we add further KMnO4 to it, KMnO4 further addition, it results in the function of RCOH. Is carboxylic acid. So we have primary alcohols which upon oxidation results the formation of aldehydes, and aldehydes upon further oxidation result is the formation of the carboxylic acids. Lekin isme or isme they contain the same number of the carbon atoms. Now we have the second, that is the oxidation of the secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols जो होते हैं they get oxidized to ketones, but ketones they resist further oxidation to carboxylic acids. Number second, oxidation of secondary alcohols gives us the ketones which resist further oxidation to carboxylic acids, but under drastic conditions ये oxidize होते हैं into carboxylic acids, but उनमें lesser number of carbon atoms होते हैं as compared to that of the parent alcohol. Number 2, अगर secondary alcohols give ketones upon oxidation and resists further oxidation to carboxylic acids. But under drastic conditions में ये oxidize होते हैं into carboxylic acid, लेकिन उनमें जो number of carbon atoms होते हैं उन carboxylic acids में वो है less होते हैं as compared to that of the parent alcohol. So we have secondary alcohol, we have CH3-CHOH and CH3. We add KMnO4 which gives us the nascent oxygen. This hydrogen and this hydrogen, it will come out with this oxygen as water, and then we have CH3-C double bond O-CH3. This is our ketone. And ketones जो होते हैं they resist oxidation, but under drastic conditions they get oxidized तो carboxylic acids. यहाँ पर क्या बनेगा, that is CH3COH plus HCOH. इसका एक हाइड्रोजन इसके साथ और ऑक्सीजन, और इसके साथ 2 ऑक्सीजन एटम्स, एंड रिजल्ट्स द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द 2 कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स. लेकिन इसमें 2 कार्बन एटम्स है, इसमें 3 कार्बन, इसमें 1 कार्बन एटम, इसमें 3. Having these carboxylic acids they have the lesser number of the carbon atoms as that of the parent alcohol. Individually अगर हम कंपेयर करेंगे then they possess lesser number of carbon atoms than that of the parent alcohol. So this is the oxidation of secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols give us ketones which upon further oxidation under drastic conditions gives us carboxylic acids. लेकिन difference ये है between the primary and secondary. वहाँ पर क्या होता है कि they easily get oxidized to carboxylic acids having the same number of carbon atoms. यहाँ पर under drastic conditions में oxidation होता है further and having the lesser number of carbon atoms than that of the parent alcohol. Now we have the tertiary alcohols. Tertiary alcohols they get oxidized with strong oxidizing agents to carboxylic acids and ketones via the formation of the alkenes. Number 3, tertiary alcohols. Suppose we have a tertiary alcohol. Number 3, 3-degree alcohols. Upon oxidation, 3-degree alcohols upon oxidation yields ketones and carboxylic acids. So we have here CH3-C, CH3-CH3 and OH. Upon this oxidation, first it will form the alkene with the loss of water molecule. Suppose we have two OH and here we have one H. It will come out with this OH as water. Then we have CH3 dash C double bond CH2 dash CH3. अब इसकी further oxidation हो जाएगी into what? Here you have the oxidation. It gives me ketone, that is CH3 C double bond O CH3. ये CH3C उसके साथ डबल बॉन्ड O और CH3 कीटोन plus this CH2 as HCOH, and it will also form as carbon dioxide and water. We have the, so this is regarding the oxidation of the tertiary alcohols. So tertiary alcohols जो होते हैं हमारे पास वो oxidize होते हैं into the ketones and the carboxylic acids, लेकिन उनमें जो होते हैं carbon atoms वो है less होते हैं as compared to that of the parent alcohol. So this was all about the chemical reactions of alcohols. We have the three category of reactions of the alcohols. First one, we have the reactions which involve the cleavage of the CHOH bond. Number second, we have those reactions which involve the cleavage of the CO bond, and number third, we have the reactions which involve the whole alcohol molecule. And in the whole alcohol molecule we have one reaction that's called a dehydration reaction, and second one we have the oxidation reaction. Now we have another topic in this unit, that is distinction between the primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Distinction between, अब हमें डिफरेंशिएट करके देना है दैट्स प्राइमरी अल्कोहल, सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल एंड टर्शियरी अल्कोहल. distinction between primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. इसके लिए हम एक टेस्ट करते हैं डिफरेंशिएट करने के लिए. प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी और टर्शियरी अल्कोहल्स को डिफरेंशिएट करने के लिए हम एक टेस्ट करते हैं दैट्स कॉल्ड विक्टरमियर्स टेस्ट. विक्टरमियर्स test. Now what is this Victormeer's test? Suppose we have here 1 degree alcohol, we have 2 degree alcohol, and we have 3 degree alcohol. We have to differentiate these three types of the alcohol, that's primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. उनको हम differentiate करते हैं with the help of a test. उस test का नाम है Victormeer's test. Now what is this Victormeer's test? In Victormeer's test we take the primary alcohol. Suppose we have RCH2OH. This is our primary alcohol. We have the secondary alcohol RCHOH and suppose RCH3. Here you have R, C, it is OH, R and R. This is our tertiary alcohol. And in the first step में हम क्या करते हैं कि we add alkyl iodides to it. That suppose we add, sorry, not alkyl iodides, we add iodine and red phosphorus to it. In all the three cases we add, यहाँ पर हमने प्राइमरी अल्कोहल लिया, इसको हमने ऐड किया आयोडीन एंड रेड फॉस्फोरस, इसको भी हम ऐड करेंगे दैट इज आयोडीन एंड रेड फॉस्फोरस, इसको भी हम ऐड करेंगे आयोडीन एंड रेड फॉस्फोरस. In all the three cases we get the alkyl iodides are formed. We have RCH2I, here you have RCHI and R, and here you have R, C, R and I. And in all the three cases alkyl iodides are formed. First step जो है Victormeer's test का वो ये है कि हम लेते हैं प्राइमरी अल्कोहल, सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल, टर्शियरी अल्कोहल. इन तीनों केसेस में हम उनको ऐड करते हैं आयोडीन एंड रेड फॉस्फोरस while alkyl iodides are formed. This is the first step. This is first step. Now second step क्या है, हम अब ऐड करेंगे इसको. these alkyl iodides are added to silver nitrite AgNO2. इसको भी हम ऐड करेंगे AgNO2 एंड इसको भी हम ऐड करेंगे AgNO2. Now here what will happen, these alkyl nitroalkanes are formed. ये H बाहर निकलेगा with silver, and NO2 gets attached here, that is RCH2NO. Nitroalkane is formed. Here also the nitroalkane is formed. RC, it is NO2, R is H. Here we have RCNO2, R and R. This is the second step. सो सेकंड स्टेप क्या है विक्टरमियर्स टेस्ट का, वो ये है कि जो यहाँ पर अल्काइल आयोडाइड बन गए उनको हमने ऐड किया है सिल्वर नाइट्राइड, where nitroalkanes are formed in all the three cases. Now the third step जो है, थर्ड स्टेप इसमें हम ऐड करेंगे इसको नाइट्रस एसिड HNO2, that's HNO2 नाइट्रस एसिड हम ऐड करेंगे, इसको भी हम नाइट्रस एसिड ऐड करेंगे HONO, इसको भी हम ऐड करेंगे HONO नाइट्रस एसिड. So here what will happen, this H2 will come out with this O minus water यहाँ से निकलेगा बाहर, and R C, it is NOH and NO double bond NO2. This is called as nitric acid. Nitric acid is formed. Here we have RCNO2, R and O and NO. This O NO, it gets attached to this hydrogen atom. It will come out with this OH group as water minus water. यहाँ पर भी वाटर निकला बाहर, यहाँ पर भी वाटर निकला बाहर, यहाँ पर नाइट्रोलिक एसिड बन गया, यहाँ पर सीरोनेट्रोल सीरोनेट्रोल इज फॉर्मेड. यहाँ पर कोई रिएक्शन नहीं होती है, दैट्स नो रिएक्शन, बिकॉज इस कार्बन के पास कोई हाइड्रोजन एटम नहीं है विच विल रिएक्ट विद नाइट्रस एसिड. नाउ इन द फोर्थ स्टेप में ऐड करते हैं हम इसको sodium hydroxide. In all the three cases we add sodium hydroxide to it, NaOH. यहाँ पर भी हम ऐड करेंगे इसको NaOH. And if blood red color appears after adding the sodium hydroxide, if blood red color appears, it confirms that it's a primary alcohol. Blood red color, it confirms that it's a primary alcohol. If blue color, then secondary, and it's no color change, no color formation. It confirms that it is a tertiary alcohol. So we have the distinction between the primary, secondary and the tertiary alcohols. We have in the primary alcohol हमें differentiate करके देना है कि कौन सा primary alcohol है, कौन सा secondary alcohol है, कौन सा tertiary alcohol है. इसके लिए हम एक टेस्ट करते हैं, उस टेस्ट का नाम है विक्टरमियर्स टेस्ट. अब वो विक्टरमियर्स टेस्ट है क्या, वहाँ पर हम लेते हैं 3 टाइप्स ऑफ अल्कोहल, दैट्स प्राइमरी, सेकेंड एंड टर्शियरी. फर्स्ट स्टेप जो है इस टेस्ट का वो ये है कि हम ऐड करते हैं उसको आयोडीन एंड रेड फॉस्फोरस, एंड इन ऑल द 3 केसेस अल्काइल आयोडाइड्स आर फॉर्मड, यहाँ प्राइमरी में भी, सेकेंडरी में भी, टर्शियरी में भी. देन वी ऐड द सिल्वर नाइट्राइड टू इट, where nitroalkanes are formed in all the 3 cases. And in the third step we add nitrous acid to it, where nitric acid, cedonetrol, and no reaction takes place in case of primary, second and tertiary alcohols respectively. फिर हमने लास्ट में इन जो ये हमने लिए थे प्राइमरी, सेकेंड एंड टर्शियरी, उनको हमने अल्काइन बनाया बाय एडिंग द सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. अगर ब्लड रेड कलर अपीयर होता है तो वो कंफर्म करके देता है कि ये प्राइमरी अल्कोहल है. अगर ब्लू कलर देन इट इज सेकेंडरी, एंड if there is no color formation then it shows that is a tertiary alcohol. This was all about the alcohols, and in the next video lecture we are going to discuss something regarding the methanol and ethanol. This is all about today's topic. Thank you so much.